Hello, it's me, Max West. I draw comics and children's picture books. And for the next day of my 30-day drawing challenge, I'm going to sketch Richie. He's a fox pup who lives with Hilda. He's one of the two characters of my children's picture book. As you know, I drew Hilda yesterday. I'm going to do a sketch of the little pup. Alright, now in my sketchbook, we're just going to set down a basic framework here. He has a smaller body and shorter limbs. Small size makes him look more cute. Alright. Start tightening that up. Alright, set in. Give him that very cute gaze that he gives. Been getting quite a few reactions from ladies who tell me that Richie is very cute. That is kind of the whole point of the character. Alright, let's give him his little fox ears. Richie tends to dress casually. Although, yes, for formal occasions, Hilda has him dress up in a suit, which he kind of doesn't like. Alright. Give him a bushy foxtail there. And there we go. Another day in the 30-day drawing challenge is done. And there's Richie. I have a lot more that I plan to show you. So just stay tuned to my drawing channel. Hit the subscribe button. Until next time, this is me, Max West, saying goodbye.